Magic Tricks TV. Today I'm going to be teaching you the lie detector card trick. This is a really good card trick. It's pretty easy to do, and here's how it looks. So the spectator can pick any one they want. So they pick this one. I will not look. Now we're going to take it here, take the card, and we'll put it in the deck just like this, and we'll give it some cuts and we'll lose it. Now, in a moment we're going to play a game called the lie detector. Now how the lie detector works is I'm going to show you 3 cards, and each card I flip over you say yes, this is my card, so in that way you're telling me a lie and I'm going to detect your lie. And if you see your card, don't tell me. So, is this your card? Yes. Okay. See that there? Is this your card? Yes. Okay. Was this your card? Yes. Okay. Now, I know for a fact that your card wasn't there the entire time because your card was right up here. There, you 4 of spades. Was that your card? No, it wasn't. Okay. We'll set it here. Now I know for a fact that this wasn't your card, this wasn't your card, but I know that this definitely wasn't your card because your card was right here, 4 of clubs. So that was the trick, and now for the This is the tutorial for the lie detector card trick. It's impromptu and it's really good. It's really fun to do. So, the spectator can pick any one they want. So they pick this one, the 8 of hearts. Now you're just going to be controlling the second from the top. So you can push it in, control it to the top. I just quickly swapped it in second position, but you can also do a Martini tilt if you want. So we'll do that. So their card, pop it in here. Now, what you're going to do is while you're explaining to them the lie detector game, you're going to be pulling down 2 cards on the bottom of the deck and keeping it with your pinky. So how the lie detector works, you're basically going to swing cut off like this, and you're going to be dropping these cards whenever you need to, but I'll tell you when to drop them. So you're going to say that this is how the lie detector game works. You're going to flip over 3 cards, and every card you flip over, you've got to say yes, this is my card, and if this, and yeah, don't tell them, don't make any grins, anything like that. So you're going to flip over this card. Oh, and by the way, their card is always in second position, so just remember that. So, is this your card? They'll say yes. Now just act like you're dropping these and then set it down. Is this their card? This is their card. So what you're going to do is drop this 2 cards on top and put it there. That makes it look like that you're dropping their card there. And then, was this your card? They'll say yes. We'll set it there, and then you're going to take this half, put it on top. Now, you're going to say, I know for a fact that your card wasn't there, and in the motion of saying that, you're just going to get a double lift ready. Just like that, and you're going to say, I know your card wasn't there because your card was right here the entire time. Was that your card? And they'll say, no. So you take that double, flip it over, put it down here. Now, to make the trick a bit more suspenseful in the build-up, you're just going to flip over this first one. So I know that this wasn't your card. And you're going to say, I know this definitely wasn't your card. And then you're going to say, I know that this definitely was not your card. And then they're already going to be freaking out. And then you can reveal that this is their card. That is an amazing trick. My camera is about to die, so I just wrap things up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. And yeah, I will see you guys next time.